Your boy back over it on their ass. Chicken and shrimp hoagies. I'm gonna pop it off around this thing one time, man. You feel me? 'Cause it feel like it's been a minute. Y'all know I don't stop, man. Just keep blending shit. Y'all know I got a gourmet mac popping off in this motherfucking uterines all in the thing. Keep it fresh and friendly on this thing, man. Your boy over the stove, popping on their ass. Shrimp is over there talking shit right now. They turn. Boy over there on fire, no chicken fire. Bust. Might be your turn. And the Mac over here per usual, doing what he's supposed to do. Keeping it real specific. They on fire. Hoagie rolls going up today. Boy, I said the smoke still coming off that thing, man. I said that's them shrimp and that's them chicken motherfucking hoagie one time. Ooh. Ooh. Might be your turn. My family know where I'm at. Show up. I'm trying to get it, boy. I'm on fire over here. And the fucking cooking list fell off.